Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make cat lip balm / lipstick holder. I have also made the bunny and bear version, so if you want to check the video, I will put the link on the description box below. We're going to make the cat first, and we are going to start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be 2 lines. Hook under the first line and hook into the second one. Then we're going to finish it with a chain. That's a magic ring. Next, we're going to make single crochet. We're going to insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull the yarn out. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. That's a single crochet. Since we need 6 single crochet for the first round, we're going to make 5 more. Once you're done, you can pull the yarn to close the ring, and we are going to continue into the second round. And for the second round, we're going to make increase for each stitch. So we're going to make a single crochet first. Then still on the same stitch, we're going to make another single crochet. And there is an increase, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. And for this round, we're going to make increase for each stitch. We're going to continue into the next round. And for this round, we're going to start with a single crochet. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round, a single crochet and an increase. We're going to continue with this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Continue into the next round. We're going to start with 2 single crochet. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. We're going to repeat this pattern one more time. So we're going to make 2 single crochet. Then increase on the next stitch. And before finishing the increase stitch, we're going to insert a white yarn. And we are going to secure the yarn by making knots. So now we're using the white yarn, and we are going to make 2 single crochet. And before finishing the second stitch, we're going to change back into the orange yarn. And we are going to make increase on the next stitch. And then for the rest of the stitches, we're going to use the pattern of 2 single crochet and an increase until we reach the end of the round. Let's continue into round 5. We are going to start with 7 single crochet. Before finishing the 7th stitch, we're going to change into the white yarn. And with the white yarn, we're going to make 5 single crochet. And before finishing the 5th stitch, we're going to change back into the orange yarn. Then using the orange yarn, we're going to make 12 single crochet. For round 6, we're going to start with 6 single crochet. Then before finishing the 6 single crochet, we're going to change into the white yarn. And we are going to make 7 single crochet. And before finishing the 7th stitch, we're going to change back into the orange yarn. And with the orange yarn, we're going to make 11 single crochet. The pattern for round 7 and round 8 is the same, so we're going to start with 5 single crochet. And before finishing the last stitch, we're going to change into the white yarn. And with the white yarn, we're going to make 9 single crochet. And before finishing the last stitch, we're going to change back into the orange yarn. And we are going to finish the round with 10 single crochet. We are going to continue into round 9, and we are going to start with 2 single crochet. And we are going to make a decrease next, so we're going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch and also on the front loop of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. We're going to continue with a single crochet, and before finishing the stitch, we're going to change into the white yarn. And we are going to make a single crochet, then a decrease next, Continue with 2 single crochet. And we are going to make another decrease. Then we're going to make 2 single crochet. And before finishing the second stitch, we're going to change into the orange yarn. And we are going to make a decrease. Then for the rest of the stitches, we're going to repeat the pattern of 2 single crochet and decrease 2 more times until we reach the end of the round. And we are done with the cat. We can cut the yarn and weave in the end. Then you can insert the safety eyes between round 6 and round 7. And we are also going to use a black yarn to add some details. To make the ears, we're going to start with a slip knot. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers, hook under the first line and hook into the second one. Then you can just pull it on both sides. And that is a slip knot. And we are going to insert the slip knot on between round 4 and round 5. And we are going to make 3 chains. We're going to skip the first chain, and on the second chain we're going to make a slip stitch. Then on the next chain we're going to make a single crochet. Then we're going to make another slip stitch on between round 2 and round 3. And we are done with the first ear. You can cut the yarn and weave in the end. And for the second ear, basically we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to insert the slip knot on between round 2 and round 3 first. Continue with 3 chains. Skip the first chain, and on the second chain make a slip stitch. Then on the next chain make a single crochet. Then we're going to make another slip stitch on between round 4 and round 5. And we are also done with the second ear. You can cut the yarn and weave in the end. And this is what it's going to look like. We're going to set it aside, and next we're going to make the lip balm holder. So we're going to start with another magic ring. for the first round, we're going to make 8 single crochet. And then for the second round, we're going to make an increase for each stitch. We're going to continue into the next round, and for round 3 until round 17, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. This one is quite flexible, so you can adjust the number of the rounds based on the size of your lipsticks. If you feel like you need to add more rounds, then you can just do so. So this is what mine looks like after 17 rounds, and I think the height is enough for me. As I said before, you can add or lessen the rounds as you will. And now we are going to make the handle. And to make the handle, I'm going to make 60 chains or around 8 inches long. This one is also flexible, so you can add more chains if you want a longer handle. And then once you're done, you can cut the yarn, but we're going to leave a long tail to make some knots. We are going to insert the yarn into a needle. And now we are going to insert the handle into the cat. So I'm just going to insert it behind the ears. And then to secure the handle, we're just going to make multiple knots. The last step is to weave in the end. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!